reduced for quick sale. Desirable Brokers Landing. Beautiful 3-bedroom plus office/bonus room can be converted into a 4th bedroom. 2.5 bath, pool home situated on a nice size lot tucked away deep in the community. Living room with soaring ceilings opens to the formal dining, family room west/sliding doors leading to a screened-in lanai and a large pool overlooking a fenced-in backyard. Kitchen opens to the Breakfast Nook overlooking the pool. Master suite with a large walk-in closet and private bath. Wood and ceramic flooring, and oak carpet, new roof and new AC. New laminate flooring in living room and dining. Award-winning schools. No flood insurance required. Conveniently located near shopping, restaurants and John Chestnut Park. 10-15 minutes to Tarpon Springs Sponge Docks, Honeymoon/Caladesi Island and Clearwater.